Welcome to Bury Art Museum Sculpture Centre. We're delighted to be hosting Macfest here today with an amazing mosaic workshop.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kesra Shiraz, the director of Macfest, and welcome to Macfest 2026. And guess where we are here today? We are in Bury in Lancashire, and mashallah, we are in a new place we've not visited before, and we are absolutely honoured to be here. And the place is called Bury Art and Sculpture Museum. And with me, I have our assistant as well, mashallah, Ray, from the University of Manchester, student placement from the master's degree. And we're absolutely delighted to have you join us. And this is an amazing opportunity, isn't it, to see the workshop and the festival. Tell us a little bit about it.
Basically, as a volunteer, I'm so glad to participate in this workshop because I'm a student major in creative and cultural industry. Yes. So it's a really good opportunity for me to broaden my horizon in this area. So thank you.
Okay, this is my drawing. I was lucky enough to win the People's Choice Award in this exhibition this year, which is our second open exhibition we've ever had here. So yeah, I'm very pleased. It's a charcoal drawing. It's called Compendium. It took me a long time to draw. I now do paintings that are very different to this, which I run a paint club here at Bury Art Museum on the first Thursday of every month in the evening. So yeah, you could find out more details about that on our website or on our socials. But yeah, this particular drawing I'm very, very pleased with, and yeah, I was really happy that I won People's Prize.
I'll introduce you to Kesra in a minute, but today we're here to do Mosaic art workshop. Has anybody done Mosaic before? No. Oh, so a little hand over there. Where did you do that? At school? No. At home? Oh, very good. We're in for a treat. It's a mosaic in a different sense. We're not going to be using grout or anything like that. We're going to be using PVA glue. And in front of you, you've all got a frame, a little frame, and we're going to be working in that frame. And everybody's got a little plate, so it's going to be basically like a craft buffet. So, so everybody's going to be coming with their plate when I say it, and then choosing all these wonderful items. You can also draw on the actual frames, or you can use these beautiful templates that I've already drawn and cut out for you, some like birds, vases, cats, etc, etc. Or you can freehand draw, it's entirely up to you. Or just do an abstract. Quite a lot of people love doing abstract. It depends on what kind of things you might like.
Art workshop in Berry. We have been hosting Macfest thanks to this lovely lady, and we've been this is from Brave Project. My lovely sister, introduce yourself for 1 minute.
Hi guys, my name is Bano, founder of the Brave Project. We have been collaborating with Macfest. It's been about 2-3 years now.
Yes, and the Berry met.
Yeah, I think COVID that we actually did our virtual one,
Yes.
and it's bringing the artifacts from Muslim art into Berry, and we did 2 events at the Met as well, and it's really exciting. But yeah,
Art, culture, performance, music, you name it, they did it. But now this event is part of our art festival with workshop right across the Northwest, and Zareena is one of our special artists. She's so popular, especially for mosaic painting. We love it. And so we are doing this for the first time, and this building is gorgeous. What do you think? I think it's beautiful there. So really nice to have it here.
First of all, thank you for doing this workshop. I'm really look forward to it, and it was very therapeutic. Enjoyed fiddling with different kinds of materials, and I highly recommend that maybe I'll make a bigger piece next time. But it was lovely. Thanks a lot. Thank you. I hope you like my work of art.
So, I don't know how I'm going to stick it.
Same time to just take your thoughts away and get creative.
The workshop is very well organized, and what a beautiful venue that we're having at the moment, where we can have this workshop with all the children and adults getting involved. So thank you for all the organizers and the artist that we have who's guiding us with all the beautiful materials that she brought today. So thank you very much.